So the first thing that we did was we wrote our name on our paper, and then we did the date, and we did our R and our L. So go ahead and push pause while you do that. Okay. So our learning goal today, remember, was I can find parts hidden in a whole amount. So the first direction says circle 5 and then make a number bond. So let's look at the soccer balls right here. They circled 5 right here already for us so that I know that 5 is one of my parts, right? Look on the bottom underneath. What's my other part going to be?
3.
Very good. It is going to be 3. So I can count if I need to. I can say 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's my whole number? 8. So 8 is going to go in the top of my number bond. That's my whole number. So 5 and 3 together make 8. Very good. All right, let's look over here at the butterflies. The first thing we're going to do is circle 5. So everybody circle 5 butterflies on top. Those butterflies right here are in this part. They already put the 5 for us. What's my other part right here? 1. Very good. So all together then, what's my whole number going to be? 6. Yes. If one of the parts is 5, one of the parts is 1, my whole number is 6. Okay, let's look at the strawberries. We're going to circle what? 5. Circle 5. And I know right there, that's one of my parts. Okay. Okay, so we did 5 as one part. What's my other part down here? 2. So 5 and 2 together are, we're going to make what number? Ooh, 7 all together. My whole number is going to be 7. Everybody with me? Okay, let's look at the pencils now. We're going to circle how many?
5.
Circle 5. That's one of my parts. It's right there. They already wrote it for me. 5.
4.
Good, and my other part's going to be 4. So if I put those two parts together, it tells me what my whole number is.
It is 9.
I hear 9. If you need to, you can count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you need to count, that's fine. Okay, so my whole number all together, we have 9. Got it?
Got it. Yep.
Ready to go on? Okay, now they want us to put nail polish on the number of fingernails shown from left to right. They want us to go from left to right, then fill in the parts. And then we're going to make the number of fingernails on one hand apart. So how many fingernails do you have on one hand?
5.
Unless you've been in a terrible accident, you usually have 5 fingers on one hand, right? So all together, we need to do how many?
8.
So we're going to start on the left side like this. And we're going to do 8 all together like this. Watch me and then you do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Only 8 fingers. Don't do them all. They told us 8 is my whole number, so we're only going to put nail polish on 8 of the fingernails.
5.
Okay. Then they said that this is one of my parts. How many fingers is that?
5.
5. So put 5 right here as one of your parts. So if this was one of my parts, how many fingernails are painted on the other side? 3. Very good. So one of my parts is 5. One of my parts is 3. And all together that makes what number? 8. Great. Okay, let's look at our next set of fingernails. How many fingernails all together are we going to color? Yes, we're just going to color in 6 of those fingernails. So we're going to start on the left side. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And stop.
Okay.
We're going left to right.
It's the 6, it's 5 and 1.
Ooh, Cameron's already thinks he's got it. Let's see. They told us that this is one of my parts.
5 is
How many fingernails is that? 5. Very good. So I'm going to put 5 right here.
5 is always
And then, yep, there's only 1 over here. So we put 1. Very good. So 5 and 1 together. Do you see how those two parts go together with those lines right here? And they make the number 6. Okay? Got it? All right. Flip it over like pancakes. Now, there isn't cute pictures. We're just doing it with dots, but that's okay because with those dots, I can see, use my detective tool of the 10 frame, and it's pretty easy to see. But they've turned our number bond on the side. Is that okay? Yeah, they've turned the number bond on the side, but I can still see that here's a part, and together they make the whole number, okay? So let's circle 5 on top. Everybody circle 5 on top. That's going to be one of my parts. One of my parts is 5. Okay? And then my other part is what? 1. So all together, if one of my parts is 5 and one of my parts is 1, all together it is, yes, the whole number is 6. Very good. Okay, let's look at the next one. We're going to the right. We're not going down. We're going to the right over here. We're doing number 8. Make sure we're on number 8 here. Okay. All right, we're going to circle how many? Circle 5. And I know that 5 is going to be one of my parts right here. 5. Circle 5, please, Titus. Okay, then what's my other part right here? 2. So write that as your other part. 2.
It's gonna be 7.
Now, Toby says he thinks it's 7. Do you agree with him? I do too. If I have 5 and I count 2 more, 6, 7. Ooh, those are our math facts this week. 5 and 2 makes 7. The whole number is 7. All right. Number 9. I'm going to circle 5. That's right. So 5 is one of my parts. Ooh, I see something tricky. What's my other part? 5. Ooh, yeah. And it is 10 because if we are smart and we use that magic 10 frame, it's all the way full. So my whole number is 10. Easy peasy. All right, come on over here to number 10. We're going to circle 5, and I'm going to write 5 as one of my parts. And then my other part, you're right, is 3 right here.
8.
Oh, yes. All together I have 8. I can count 5, 6, 7, 8, right? My whole number is going to be 8. Okay. Now, we're going to wait on number 11. Listen to my directions. Wait for number 11. We're going to skip that one for right now. We're going to do number 12 together right here because it's a little tricky. Would you circle 5, please? And write 5 as one of your parts.
And 0.
Oh, Ray says my other part 0. Do you agree with her?
Yeah.
Oh, so 5 and 0 together is going to make 5. Very good.
We're going to do this level by ourselves.
Yes, I want you to try number 11 right here. I want you to do this one by yourself.